Welcome to the channel. This is Beyond the Bilge. This is our first video. If you're going to follow along on a series, we're going to be restoring this 1987 Hydra Sports V-Star 90 with an 88 Suzuki 85. I'm going to teach y'all some things as we go. Today, we're gonna learn how to drill some rivets to get these hatches off. So y'all just follow along on this, and we're going to do some cool stuff. Alrighty, so the first thing you'll need to drill rivets, you're going to need a drill and a drill bit. To pick your size for the drill bit, I went ahead and did one of these. You can see this is the head of the rivet there, and you have the body. You want a drill bit that's just ever so slightly or the same size as the body but smaller than the head. It's the easiest way to do it. And then what you do, you open up the hatch. And what you're going to want to do is expose the rivets. As you see there, you can see that's the rivet there. Take your drill bit, put it right there in that hole in the middle. You're not trying to drill all the way through it. You just want to get it down in there just enough. You're going to do that to all of them. The reason you don't want to drill it all the way in there is we're trying not to nick the fiberglass any. It causes some more issues down the road. Now that you got all of them drilled, you shouldn't have any issue just popping it off like that. And as you can see, it's just enough to where it just nicks the inside of that. And then whenever we get ready, we'll come back and we'll clean up all the rest of these to where it's just empty holes. So the next step is getting the little rivet body out of the fiberglass. This is pretty simple. Need a roll pin punch. In this case, I'm using 5 30-seconds. Need your hammer. And all we're going to do is we're just going to take that roll pin punch, line it up right there, right square into it, and you're going to tap it. You want your roll pin punch to be smaller than the hole in your fiberglass, so you get a little bit of wiggle room, but not so small that it's just knocking out the center. You want it to where it's going to actually make contact with the body of the rivet. See if I can get this camera set up and see if I can get y'all to show y'all some of that. All right, so a little bit about this project. We picked this up off of Facebook, got a really good deal off of it. The hole's in good shape. The motor was running. It needs some stuff like, like carpets. Got a couple soft spots in the floor. Wiring, gauges. Right now the engine's got a hole in the piston number 1. So during this series, we're gonna go over some fiberglass work, carpet work, engine work, electrical, and then when it gets done, hopefully next spring we'll roll out with some videos fishing out of it and see if we can learn how to fish together. Other than that, a little bit about myself. I am an ASC certified mechanic, been mechanicking for a long time, stepped out of that, and currently in the United States Army. Don't ask me no questions, I'm just a private. And I just have a passion for tinkering and toying around, and I really like to teach people, and I want to get more people interested in the things that I like to do. So, that being said, beyond the bilge, till next time, see you later.